Being present. We hear about this a lot. We know that being present is important. But often what I find, even for myself, is when I attempt to be present, I am so focused on being present that I'm actually not present. So here is the key of being present. Stop trying to be present and actually just listen. Be open. Be willing to hear. Doesn't matter if somebody's telling you something negative or positive. It's not about that. It's about being willing to listen. Because irrespective of how valuable you think that person is going to be or not valuable that person's going to be, if you listen carefully enough, you will hear what they're really trying to say. So stop trying to be present and just be open. You will have amazing connections, amazing conversations, and you will learn things about yourself and about what you're doing in the world that will just be magnified.